I warned you about this big dump that we had. Guys, I think we got a little bit more downside here and a good potential for a nice, big, bullish wave to the upside after that. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this. I'm going to dive deep into these charts real quick for you, show you what I see on the long-term time frames, the short-term time frames. Let's get into it. This is Chart Junkies. My name's Alex. I use Elliott wave theory to come up with high probability trades. If you don't know what Elliott wave is, I have a link in the description below. Also, I'll pin it right now to my crash course. It's a super quick, like 8-10 minute video on what Elliott wave is. Simple, it's quick, but it gets you the gist of everything. Watch it if you don't know. Also, guys, we have a Discord. Join it. It's free. Also linked in the description below. We got a good group of guys in there right now. Let's grow this. There will be a paywall eventually, but it's free right now. You got all my attention in there. Ask me questions. Elliott wave. I post, day trading, what setups I'm looking for. Everyone's posting their profit in here. We're pinging ideas off of each other. It's a good group in here. Come on in. I'll see you guys in the Discord, linked in the description below. Let's look at Bitcoin here. I'm just going to zoom out on the daily. And the general shape and structure that I'm looking for is a flat here, another flat here, and then another flat here. That's the general structure that I'm looking for. After that, I think we're going to have a nice big dump to the downside. With that being said, that's my number one primary count right now, where it stands. There's other counts, things will change. There's bearish counts that says that, hey, we're done right here, and now we're just going to start coming to the downside. So my primary count is a double correction, retrace this move down to the 50% level, and then we can come down. Okay? I'm not going to spend too much time on that. With that being said, zooming in on the 4 hour, I have a correction here. I have a flat here, and I'm looking for another corrective wave to match. It did break the high. Scratch that. It broke the high, so I'd be looking for an impulsive wave. Like that. Now we're gonna go into the small time frames, but I'm gonna show you the total crypto market cap and how this chart looks really, really good to me. You got a finished flat right there. It's done. Then you have a WXY down. You have a flat here, and you're gonna have another another correction down like that. This is trend line's been broken, but the total crypto market cap chart is telling me we need something like that, and then it can come back up. Again, guys, we have not hit these retracement levels. When you draw your fibs in here, look, you're at the 236. It just hasn't retraced enough. I need at least the 382, at least. So what can get us there? A move like this. Right? And same thing on the Bitcoin chart, showing the same exact thing. So, I mean, we caught this mega dump. I saw it coming. It was bound to happen. I thought we were going to bounce in this area and come up and then down. We didn't get it. Easy as that. So most charts have broken this low here. And with that being said, I really am going to be looking at this as something like that. I need this to finish 5 waves, and then I need this whole thing to finish 5 waves. So that's why I'm saying we have more downside. And then after the 5 waves finish, then we can move to the upside. When I pull fibs on this, on where possible targets could be, you have a lot more room down here to play. And guys, in all honesty, this can really come all the way down to these fibs. This is crypto. It's not like it can't do this. This is modern Elliott wave. I've seen it very extended waves. You see it all the time. But it depends on, you know, just the general look of this center wave. I really want it to just finish out right there. That would look good for a nice impulse down, and then one more hit to the downside. And, you know, we have a nice accumulation area here, and then we can pop off to the upside. If this rolls over like this, and if you get a wave like this and then you start correcting, I'm gonna want to see these lower targets like this and then go. Alright, so it all depends on kind of how this wave develops. I want to see, keyword, I want to see a correction here. I don't know what's going to happen, guys. We take it wave by wave. But the best I can tell, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. This wave was tricky. This wave was tricky. They're just stop hunting everybody. That's all they're doing. Just stop hunting, stop hunting. So, you know, best I could tell, you have an ABC here. You have an impulse here. Okay? Impulse. ABC, correction. I have a double correction in the form of a triangle into a correction. So, for me, this impulse is a flat. It might probably break this trend line, but I would be looking at this. And then I would need a corrector wave down to match up. Come test these lows again. Come up. Crack this high one more time, and then come down. That's the most painful path it could take, and honestly, it looks pretty damn good to me. That's just how I'm playing it, guys. You can play it however you want. At the end of the day, just keep this in mind. It's the liquidity game. So when liquidity gets broken, we're shorting that, right? When liquidity gets broken, we're longing that, right? It's really that simple when you break it down. But in Elliott wave terms, we have that. We have that. We have that. We have that. And then on a grander scale, we're going to have that. And then we need a correction here, right? And then we can impulse down. All right, this is how you track these waves, guys. Hop in the Discord. Hop in the Discord. You will get this all day. All day. And trust me, give it some time, you will learn. You will see these. It's like your eyes will just create the paths for you. Like you will see into the future with these waves. You will predict what's going to happen. So let's pull some fibs on this flat and see what our possible targets could be. We're at the 1-to-1 right now. It could be done right now. I would bet so much money right now. I would bet my life that this is gonna come impulse period here, break this trend line right here, come up into the corrective zone, take out all these highs, and then start working its way down. Right? I don't want to break this low. I had this as an impulse off the bottom. You know, it could roll over, guys. Anything can happen. Elliott wave is just tries to, you know, put probabilities on these things. Anything can happen, but this is what looks good to me. And then back up, take out this high that is going to put in, and then down. Okay? DXY, let's take a look at it. I don't want to waste too much time here. It's the same thing. I called this move back in my previous videos. that this was going to be a flat right here. Called it. We got it. There's a little bit more room to the upside we can go. I want to see this broken heavily. I want to see liquidity taken as much as it can, and then boom. This little more up move can give Bitcoin its little more down move, and then big dump, Bitcoin, big pump, right? That's all I got for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Go join the Discord. Do it. I'm trying to grow this shit. Let's go. Support my work. MEXC is the best exchange. No VPN. Use my link in the Discord. I'll see you guys in there. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.